Welcome to Fashion Trends. Subscribe to receive free and awesome videos from our channel, friends. And remember to click the bell icon to receive more interesting videos from our channel. Hello, adorable girls. Welcome back to Fashion Trends. Today in our video, we are going to be seeing about beautiful saree laces as bottoms, friends. Today we'll be talking about what are the leggings that include, what are the designs to include, and where can they be worn. So with that, let's go to a simple video, friends. And remember to like to our channel and also remember to subscribe to our channel before you miss our simple video. So friends, talking about where can these beautiful saree laces as borders can be worn, you can try wearing these for beautiful and awesome parties. And these are also perfect for elegant parties or for casual events, and these are also perfect for the office wear sarees. You can even try using these for cotton sarees too, which is also an amazing idea. So friends, you can try using these laces as borders to your cotton saree or for linen saree. You can even try using these for organza sarees, or you can even try using these for satin and georgette sarees. They're perfect for almost all sarees except silk sarees. So friends, talking about what are the beautiful and the amazing designs to include in saree laces as borders, you can try going on with beautiful flower-based floral designs, which is an amazing, awesome idea. You can even try going on with common and beautiful geocentric design, which is also a great idea, and they're amazing, friends. So friends, talking about the workings to use or the workings to stick on it for your saree as laces as borders, you can try going on with beautiful workings such as net working flower based designs. You can try going on with floral network designs, which is also a great idea, or you can try going on with gorgeous and beautiful and awesome laces, which is also a great idea. You can try going on the same color of your saree for your lace, or you can try going on the contrast color of your saree for the lace. So hope you guys have really enjoyed this video, guys, and if you have really liked this video, then remember to subscribe to our channel and also remember to like our videos, friends. So friends, you can purchase similar types of these beautiful saree with laces as borders by clicking the link put in the description box, friends. You can purchase them in Amazon and they're absolutely amazing and beautiful. And remember to follow our channel Fashion Trends. So bye, friends.